Click on the link below to get price. The NEMIX RAM 96GB, 2x48GB DDR5 5600MHZ PC5-44800 is an impressive memory module designed to elevate the performance of high-end computing systems. This dual-channel kit comprises two 48GB sticks, strategically crafted for users who require substantial memory capacity, such as gamers, graphic designers, and professionals working with resource-intensive applications. One of the standout features of this RAM is its speed. Operating at 5600 MHz, it provides a significant boost to overall system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. The increased bandwidth allows for smooth performance even when running demanding software or multiple applications simultaneously. Users can expect reduced load times and a more seamless experience when executing complex tasks. The memory's CL46 latency may seem higher than some lower capacity options, but it's important to note that the sheer capacity of 96GB compensates for this in many scenarios. For those engaged in heavy data manipulation or rendering tasks, the benefits of having ample RAM can far outweigh marginal differences in latency. Moreover, the 1.1V voltage requirement is efficient, contributing to lower power consumption while maintaining high performance. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard 288-pin configuration, making it compatible with a wide range of motherboards that support DDR5 memory. The robust design of the modules ensures stability and reliability, which is essential for both casual and intensive users. In terms of aesthetics, the NEMIX RAM sticks feature a clean and professional look, easily fitting into various system builds. While not equipped with flashy heat spreaders, they're built to maintain optimal temperatures during operation. Overall, the NEMIX RAM 96GB, 2x48GB DDR5 5600MHZ is a fantastic choice for users seeking high-performance memory with significant capacity. It excels in environments requiring multitasking and processing power, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to future-proof their system.